Today's yoga practice is focused on releasing any tension or stress that you may have during this holiday season. So grab your mat, grab your water, and let's begin. We're going to start in child's pose. So bring your feet and your knees together, reaching your arms all the way forward. Just relax all the way down, reaching your fingers to the top of your mat. Taking a deep breath in and let it all out. You can use this time to just relax and set your intentions for today's practice. Now let's reach to the left side of your mat to stretch at the right side of your back. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Remember to focus on your breathing. Now coming to center and rolling all the way up to your cat-cow position. Inhaling, we're going to open the back, look up to the sky, and exhale, round the spine, pull up with the back. Give yourself here a moment to do any movements of the cat-cow position. When you're ready, come into neutral position and take your puppy posture. So you're gonna bring both hands to the very top of your mat, keeping your hips over your knees and letting your chest drop to the floor. Feel that nice stretch in the back. Slowly make your way back up, and we're going to take our thread the needle posture. So take your right arm all the way up, and then that right arm through the left, bringing that right shoulder down to your mat. This is a great stretch for the shoulder. Then come up and let's do the other side. Slowly come up to tabletop position. Tuck your toes and coming right up into first downward facing dog. Feel free to make any movements here that you need to, as this is the first downward facing dog. Remember to focus on your breath, letting those heels sink. We're going to go ahead and do our first chaturanga. Make sure you do your chaturanga according to what you're feeling right now. You can come down to your knees, bend your elbows, chest, chin, upward dog. And when you're ready, make your way back again to downward facing dog. When you're ready, right leg reaches up, bend your knee, stepping right foot to the very top of your mat. Coming into high lunge, dropping your left knee into the ground. Both arms reach up slowly. From here, take your hands down into half split. So you're pushing your weight to that left knee and flex your right foot. Now when you're ready, we're going to do the same on the other side. So go back to lunge position, right leg goes back into plank, and do your own version of chaturanga. Upward facing dog. From here, make your way back to downward facing dog. Now, left leg goes up. Bending your knee, reach your left leg up to the top of the mat, and again high lunge, letting your right knee on the mat, arms up. Now release all the way down to make your way into half split. Remember to focus on your breath, and if you have any thoughts rushing into your mind, try not to engage with them. So you are aware of them, but you're not engaging. When you're ready, make yourself back to plank. Again, your own version of Chaturanga, upward facing dog. Take a few breaths here if you need to, and then make your way back to downward facing dog. Give yourself a moment here. Focus on your breath. Listen to your body. How are you feeling? When you're ready, jump or step all the way to the top of the mat. You can grab your arms and give yourself a little twist from side to side. Just let all of your tension go away. Now in your forward fold position, give yourself a big stretch here, and then slowly rolling up the spine, make yourself into standing pose. Give yourself a big breath in, reaching the hands all the way to the sky, putting it together, breathing out and bringing them back to the heart. Continue all the way down into forward fold. Now slowly make your way to a seated position on the mat. Extend your legs. Grab your feet with your hands and try to give yourself a big stretch here on the back. Slowly rolling your back, come up. And now I'm just going to turn around for you to see me, but we're going to put our soles of the feet together. We're going to hold them with our hands and make your way all the way down. Give yourself a few breaths here. When you're ready, roll back up. I'm going to go back to the position I was before and slowly roll down into your mat, bending your knees and giving yourself a little hug and a little twist side to side to massage that back. Let's make our way into a happy baby. So extend your legs, grab your ankles or your big toes, open the legs out, pull them in, feeling that stretch in the hips. And you can add a gentle rock side to side, finding your breath. Allow yourself in this moment to calm down. When you're ready, put your soles of the feet together, leaving each knee onto the opposite side. Feel your breath. You can even put one hand on your stomach, one hand on your heart, and feel your body. You can finish in this position, or if not, you can make yourself into Shavasana and take this moment to breathe, relax, wind down. Slowly bring awareness into your body. Move your hands, your feet slowly. I'm going to turn around again for you to see me. Try to stay with your eyes closed as you come back to a seated position. And we're going to say thank you to ourselves and to our body for having taken the time to do something that is good for us. So together we're going to take a deep breath in, reaching our hands all the way up to the sky. Palms come together and all the way down, breathing out up to our mouth. We're going to do the same again. Breathe in, arms up, and together up to our forehead. And our final breath all the way up, and then hands down, breathing out to our heart. These 3 breaths are for positive thinking, positive communication, and being grateful for what we did today and loving ourselves. Thank you so much for joining this class. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.